Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the
All right, guys, 2022 SRT Dodge Charger. Beautiful green Hellcat. As you guys can see there and there. Beautiful car. Look at this thing. Wide body, just sexy car all the way around. What we got done on this beast. Factory converter there, factory converter there, factory X. Then we did a mid-delete. And then we installed these tips. There'll be a link in the description for them. I'll show them to you guys in a second. There's the part number on it, and that's the name of it. Then we left the rears on it, there and there. But we updated the tips, made them look clean, nice, as you guys can see. Black chrome, really beautiful, clean tips. Give it a nice shine compared to the old tips that were on it. That's the old tips that were on it. And that's the mids that were on it that we took off right there. All right? So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. So if you're in the area, hit us up. Amazing what those little things do. It's only got 5,000 miles on it, guys. Barely anything. It's so perfect. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 150. This sounds so good. Beautiful. Go ahead and back it out. Perfect. Let you guys hear on the inside. Hellcat SRT 2022. Wide body, just beautiful. Oh, wow. So much power. I love it. Enjoy, guys. Be smooth.